What's up, guys? This is the last question of the pretest. So basically, you have the question: consider the equations y equals x, y equals 2/3 x, and y equals 2/3 x plus 1. Use transformations to complete the table of values. Graph and label each line. And if you know that y is equal to x, then basically you have um, all these being the same as x, right? -6, -6, -3, -3, and so forth. If you have y equals 2/3 x, then whatever x is, right, -6, you're going to take 2/3 of that, right? Divide by 3, you get -2 times 2, you get -4. Same thing here. You plug in -3 to here, you're going to get uh, -2. Okay, so you do that. Then in this column, line B, it's whatever this is, right? Because this is the same, plus 1. So -4 plus 1 moves it to the right, right? You got -3. -2 plus 1 makes it more positive. You got -1. 0 plus 1, 1. 2 plus 1, 3. 4 plus 1, 5. So you get these numbers, right? So now I want to show you this tool that we've used before called Desmos to basically help us graph this, okay? So I'll put the equation y equals x, and that'll graph it right there. Okay. The next one was y equals. Well, let's say I wanted to put in the points. Okay. The ordered pairs, right? So I could put -6, comma -4, -3, comma -2, 0, comma 0, right? And 3, comma 2. You got to put the parentheses out. Okay. And 6, comma 4. Okay. Then you can start to see those points forming that line. All right. So then I'll just type in the line just to confirm it. All right. And that indeed goes through those points. Okay. Same thing with the other one. I won't go through all the points. I'll just write the line the way it's given. All right. And I'll just zoom it in a little bit. So you notice that here we have two lines that are parallel, the green line and the purple line. Okay. So then you can answer that question to graph and label each line. And what I like about Desmos 2 is that it tells you which equation is which. But if you don't have that, we can do is just bring it over to our paper here. We'll import it. I'm using GoodNotes, which is a good program to use if you can get a hold of it. Okay, I'll just bring that in there, and then we can label this lines like it says here to do. So why don't I try to stick with these colors? So the purplish one is this one right here. That's y equals 2/3 x plus 1. Okay, the reddish line is the one we started with, right? Where everything is the same, y is equal to x. And then that means the green one has to be this one before the transformation up. So that's y equals 2/3 x. So notice here the slope is parallel between the green and the purple. Okay, folks. All right, good luck with that. Let me know in class, again, if you have questions.